guys. This is Emmett the Alpha Builder. So, all right, so my plumber's getting ready to do his thing. So you guys see he got a couple of pipes out here, but he's marking everything. He got a little shower right here, I think. A dog shower. It's gonna be right here. We got a I think it's an island right here. I don't know what that is, I gotta look at the plans, but he's marking this stuff out here. I met him over here this morning, and guys, you need to have things figured out with things. What's gonna happen? You gotta have that stuff figured out. So you got his lines here. You kind of see where he's got everything's gonna flow in this house right over here in this corner. So you gotta have gravity feed gradually going down all the way to right here. This right here, my septic tank is gonna be right here. Field lines over here, so we need gravity feed. We need gravity. So you can kind of see how we got it. We got a shower here, shower over here. And I'm gonna form these showers a little different. We're not gonna have a threshold that you step over. We're gonna have it to where it's gonna kind of go right along with the concrete. So I'm gonna form around this right here. So we got this. He's got this stuff right here, and he's, I don't know why those strings are here, man. Oh, he's marking out the walls. Those are his walls. Those are the walls that we got going on here, man. This is beautiful. So he's marking out his walls, getting all his stuff together, finding out where the walls are so he can set his pipes in the middle. And guys, typically if I got a lot of plumbing fixtures on one wall, I like to make it a 2x6 wall. Let's go ahead and make it a 2x6 wall because the pipes are about 4 inches. No, I'm sorry, they 3 inches. Or they may be 3.5, and the wall is about 3.5 inches. The pipe may be a 3-inch pipe, man. And sometimes it kind of bow out of that wall. It causes the wall to bow a little bit, especially when the lumber start moving. Unless you use finger jointed lumber. So this is what we got. We have a lot of stuff over here. My water's line gonna come from over there. I'm gonna go ahead and do, guys. I was gonna do heat pump water heater. Man, we're gonna do a tankless water heater, and we're gonna go ahead and do I was gonna do induction for the cooktop. We're gonna go ahead and do a gas cooktop, man. People just can't see beyond that kind of stuff, so you don't want to. It's hard to get people to understand that stuff, man. They like the way it looks, man, because it's kind of like a commercial type mindset. Even though the induction is better, in my opinion. But this is what we got here, guys. This is what we got here. Plumber's doing this thing. Oh wow, never ever see these things come here, man. He's gonna come clean out the porta pot, come flush it out. They've been doing a pretty good job keeping everything clean. So plumber's gonna do his thing. Hopefully he can get his pipes in the ground, tomorrow sometime. Get everything in the ground. Get an inspection off on Wednesday. If we can get the inspection off on Wednesday, I can have my concrete guy come on out here on Thursday. No, he can come out on Wednesday, and then he can put his stuff, get everything prepped up. I already got my rebar. I don't know why they put the rebar down the hill. I got to get some chairs, and I already got my plastic over here. Let me get my son to move all those blocks out the way. Guys, come to find out, man, I'm gonna have to use all those blocks. All those blocks are gonna go right here for this front step. So I'm gonna have to use every last one of them. I'm gonna need them all. So I got that perfect. We did that perfect. So so that's what we got, man. So if I can get all these things off on Thursday, I can get my inspection off on Thursday. We can pour Friday morning. Problem is it's gonna start raining, guys. I think it's gonna rain all week. That's my poly. That's my anchor boats. He dropped he dropped everything down there. I don't know what's up with these guys, man, but they dropped everything down there. So this is what we got, guys.